Firstly, thank you for everyone for coming all the way here to my dad's dream house, our dream house. In other words, mostly dad's, but
You come, fun, Ali. Your time.
yeah, they've కొన్ని మాటలు మాట్లాడమని they asked me to talk a few words, but I think I've expressed myself in the movie because generally I suck at talking.
They implementers. They don't talk.
I'm trying to ultimately, like, I'm trying to underplay whatever I'm feeling inside. It's because it's a fan moment for me to share a stage with all the legends. I've literally been singing their songs that have been playing. So as a kid from my chuddy days to the days now where my chuddy hardly fits. So I have been the biggest fan, and sharing the stage with Jackie Dada. I think I've told my managers that I've only been waiting to meet Dada and take a photo. I think I got much more than that. So yeah, the best things happen when we don't plan. But అందరూ సినిమా చూసిన థ్యాంక్స్. మీ రెస్పాన్స్ చాలు, నేను ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడేది అవసరం లేదు. I think I can't say anything but thanks. I think that's the biggest gift you've given me. And Satya is doing very well in international circuits, and hopefully it's going to Oscar BAFTA qualifiers also soon. So hopefully we'll see how far Satya walks, our first baby.
Wow.
Yeah, was there. So
Who's the father? Who's the mother?
Eddie,
Who's the father? Who's the mother? Father is here. You're the mother. Okay.
yeah, he's the mother, I'm the father. Popular beliefs here. So I'd like Pace to say a few words.
ముందుగా మా యంగెస్ట్ బ్రదర్ మిస్టర్ నరేష్ గారికి కంగ్రాట్స్ అండి. మా మొత్తం బ్యాచ్లో యంగెస్ట్ పర్సన్ ఈయనే. సో ఆయనకి కంగ్రాట్స్ చెప్పాలి ఫర్ సచ్ అ గ్రేట్ అచీవ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ 50 years. కంగ్రాట్స్ అండి. సో యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ సినిమా స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు నేను అసలు లేనండి సినిమాలో. కానీ నేను ఫోర్స్ చేసుకొని నేను నవీన్కి రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసి అడుక్కున్నా, అది నవీన్ ఎలాగైనా సినిమాలో పెట్టాలని చెప్పి. సో ఇన్ దట్ వే ఐ కేమ్ టు దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్, అండ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ సీన్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇస్ బీయింగ్ డిస్ప్లేడ్ ఆన్ టు ద స్క్రీన్ is almost close to real life character. And Naveen, he just said he play your natural self. That's the best thing I can do for this film. So I played my natural self. And keeping all this aside, ఆడవాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు వంటగది నుంచి బయటకు వెళ్తున్నారు. సో మనందరూ చేయాల్సిన ఒకటే అండి, మగవాళ్ళందరూ, టు క్రియేట్ అ వెరీ సేఫ్ వరల్డ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద లేడీస్ అండ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద కిడ్స్. That is our responsibility as men. So that is what we have to do. And I have a small confession to make. I'm very, very happy that one of my favorite actors saw the film. Suhasini Garu. Suhasini Garu is one of my favorite actors. So she saw the film. So thank you so much for all your lovely wishes and your blessings. And keeping all this aside, Dada, thank you, sir. Thank you for all the film, for all the compliments that
Such a pleasure.
really made our evening today. Thank you so much. And thank you for all the wonderful guests and for blessing us. And alage ma blessing my younger brother, Mr. Naresh Garu. So it's a very, very great achievement for my younger brother. So please continue your blessings and please continue your love in the same way for us too. Thank you so much.
One word about friendship. Naveen and he met they're on the same street. They met in a store for sharing a Coke. That's all the money they had. Yes? How many years old you were?
I was 5.
He was 5. Naveen was
6, 7.
6.
7.
So they had a bilateral agreement of sharing a Coke and became a friends. And this friendship rocked. It is a rock. It's an example of a friendship. All my close friends who have traveled by name, it will take a long time. I've been here, from Misha to Ram to Vijay to Sai to everyone, Nitiraj, everybody. So it's a beautiful moment, and so proud to have this film in this occasion. Thank you, Saidaram Tej. Love you all. Love you all. Love you all. Thank you. Thank you.
It was not a Coke and apatlo Pepsi Gold Spot vachedi. So it was Gold Spot. Not Coke. anyways, thank you so much. I have a wonderful evening, all of you, and thank you so much for your love and support.
We'll play Pavitra and my song now. Yeah. 1 second. I request our architect, Mr. Yashwant Hughes, and Ram, our interior designer, and Sharath. Anna, 1 minute, Anna. The guys who designed this just need 2 minutes. Come up background. Our architect Yashwant, I met him in Mysore. He built our Mysore house. I was so thrilled, and I asked him to do this. He's going to do all my such a brilliant architecture. Really congratulate Sharath and Ram. Yes. Hey, Shalvakra. They have taken it up as their project.
నిజంగా చాలా చాలా అద్భుతంగా చేశారు. ఈ హోమ్ చూస్తుంటే మా అందరం కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్కరం కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయాం. We thank our architects, engineers, everybody. And
Ram, who has done all the interior design of it, we thank him so much for the brilliant, and mainly our architect now.
Jackie said that's so stylish, huh?
Anna. Thank you so much, Anna. It means a lot to them. Thank you so much. And I invite Kumar. He is my manager for security studios, but more than he's like my brother. He stood day and night and finished this project. I thank him. Without him, this wouldn't have happened on the today. Sairam. And all the people who work for this, including Kanaya, everybody, Ram, everybody who have worked for this. Thank you. And I want to invite Sharath and introduce Anna. Sharath is a classmate of Pavitra. He has taken up an adventure. He has traveled 11,000 kilometers on bullet bike last month. 1.5 month. Covering up to Himalayas, all the Jyotirlingas. Now he's taken off and going to up to Kanyakumari. It's a rare feat. So my God, 100 kilometers an hour and the average. Where's your wife? Call your wife.
Bharti Bhavan is on stage, please.
Where are children? Come past. A lot of people to be felicitated, but today, and it's going to Kanyakumari from here.